Pika Labs recently dropped the latest version of its AI video model, Pika 2.0. This video generation model uses improved motion and realism to create dynamic and cinematic quality videos while maintaining stunning visual consistency. Today, I'll walk you through Pika 2.0's suite of revolutionary features like scene ingredients, which allows you to adjust elements to fit your video preferences, and Peak Editions, a tool that blends real-life footage with imagination, pushing the boundaries of what AI can create. We'll examine this powerful AI video model using different real-world tests and pit it head-to-head against powerhouses like OpenAI's Sora to see if it lives up to the hype. Pika Art, the AI video creation platform, is back in the spotlight with the launch of Pika 2.0. Pika 2.0 brings a fresh array of features designed to help users create custom videos using AI technology. This release comes after the company released the Pika 1.5 model, which introduced an exciting range of new visual effects just weeks earlier. In a playful twist, Pika Lab took a jab at competitors like OpenAI by promoting Pika 2.0 as not just for pros, for actual people, even Europeans. This mockery highlights the differences between their approach and the more enterprise-focused strategy of Sora, which has yet to expand its availability to average users and the European markets. With this new version, Pika Lab aims to make video creation accessible to a broad audience, including those making clips for TikTok shorts or marketing videos for side hustles. They've broken away from the notion that advanced tools are only for experts or industry insiders making Hollywood-level focus projects. The emphasis on inclusivity reflects their desire to empower everyday users to unleash their creativity without needing specialized skills. Rivalry aside, what are the new perks that make Pika 2.0 so appealing? The most notable feature is the scene ingredients. As the core part of Pika 2.0, scene ingredients allows users to design every detail of their video scenes. It's a virtual kitchen where you can cook up your desired video with a pantry of elements like props and other bits you want to incorporate. With scene ingredients, I can bring my videos to life by adding various characters, objects, and backgrounds in picture format. The best part? Personalizing scenes is a breeze. I can easily adjust individual elements to match my creative vision, whether repositioning characters or modifying how objects interact within the scene. Besides, I can swap out default elements for my own or tweak prompts to customize everything further. This level of control over every frame makes it easier for me to create videos that resonate with my ideas and style. It's all about making my vision come to life, and Scene Ingredients empowers me to do just that. Let's drive this point home with an example. Picture this. I upload a photo of my cat on Pika 2.0 and demand a clip of a surfing cat in space. Pika will blend these elements into a seamless and captivating scene. What's even more impressive is that even if I don't have images to include in my videos, Pika 2.0 has significantly improved its understanding of text prompts. It understands what you're trying to convey immediately. When I think about the capabilities of Pika 2.0, I can't help but be impressed by its improved text alignment. It implies how well it takes detailed prompts and turns them into visually stunning and cohesive video clips. This creative partner understands even the most complex descriptions I provide. The execution is spot on, translating my ideas with precision. Whether I'm working on something playful for social media or a polished video for a brand, I know I can count on Pika 2.0 to deliver what I envisioned. I cannot overemphasize how frustrating it can be to type a prompt into some AI tools only to end up with something that barely resembles my original idea. Oftentimes, Sora, Kling, and other video models can be very poor at sticking to the prompts. But with Pika 2.0, I've noticed a real difference. It's way less likely to misinterpret what I envision when creating the video. I feel confident that the final product will capture my vision, making the experience much more enjoyable. Additionally, Pika 2.0 stands out to me thanks to how smoothly it weaves narratives together. The transitions feel seamless, and the storytelling is logical, which brings my concepts to life clearly and coherently. It's a fantastic tool that represents my prompts accurately and enhances the final output. I love the confidence it gives me in my creative projects. Are you enjoying the video? Then give it a thumbs up. I'd also appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Now let's get back to the video. With its latest update, Pika Labs unveiled Peak Effects in Pika 2.0, making it easy to squish, melt, and explode items within an image. Brands like Balenciaga, Fenty, and Vogue, as well as celebrities and influencers, have used Peak Effects to bring their ideas to life. Even though PikaFX was originally built on top of the Pika 1.5 AI video model, you can apply these templates to any image you want to turn into a video. I remember my first experience with PikaFX when they were newly launched. I took a simple picture of a typewriter, inflated it, and watched in delight as it bounced around on the table. It was exciting to see how easy it was to use these effects. Just upload your image and pick an effect, and within minutes, you'll have a stunning video ready to go. The simplicity of the process is impressive, and it opens up a world of creativity. What I love even more is that I can transform these videos into GIFs, making them perfect for sharing on social media. They're not just eye-catching, they add a fun twist to any point you want to illustrate. Using Pika 2.0, it feels like I've got a tool with a unique angle at my fingertips, bringing my ideas to life in a whole new way. Meanwhile, I've found that motion is by far the most complex element for video models to get right. Even Sora, a video model widely regarded as one of the top models, struggles with particularly complex movements. While video models handle this challenge differently, Pika 2.0 beats them. What caught my attention about Pika 2.0 is the company's claim that it has an advanced understanding of physics. Considering this sophisticated grasp of motion techniques and the video samples it's created, Pika 2.0 seems to have improved its ability to depict motion, making real-world actions more realistic. But even more impressive is how it manages to render fantastical scenarios, like humans flying through the sky or elements on an alien world, making them feel surprisingly believable. Another intriguing feature of Pika 2.0 in Pika Arts is Peak Editions. Peak Editions combines real-world footage with imaginative and fantastical elements, making my videos stand out with surprising and creative effects. What I love about this feature is how effortlessly I can enhance any video I'm working on. Whether I want to add unique characters, interesting objects, or cinematic touches, Peak Editions lets me bring my vision to life in a magical way. As a content creator and someone who enjoys experimenting with AI-driven enhancements, it's exciting to see how easily I can transform ordinary clips into something extraordinary. It doesn't matter if I'm crafting a short film or just having fun with some creative projects. This perk has become an essential part of my toolkit. Now let's put Pika 2.0 to the test and see how it fares against other AI video models. One of my all-time favorite prompts for AI video generation is a dog wearing sunglasses traveling on a train. I love this prompt because it tends to bring out the best in most models, but each one interprets it differently. It's also a fun challenge for the model to create a realistic-looking dog sporting sunglasses, which is not something you see every day. Plus, it adds another layer of complexity by needing to depict the rapid motion of the scenery outside the window while keeping the dog still inside. It's such an interesting mix of elements. I was fascinated by how Pika managed to create this cool visual effect. It captured the rapid motion outside the window while keeping the dog still with slow head movements inside the train. Unlike Sora or Kling, Pika kept the dog seated, which gave the whole scene a unique vibe. The best part was that it generated a second shot in the 5-second window, zooming in on the dog's adorable face, complete with those funky sunglasses. I also tried a straight image-to-video prompt using a picture, but it didn't hit the mark. However, I decided to experiment and use the image as an ingredient with a text prompt instead of sticking it as a prompt. To my surprise, that approach worked much better. The results were way more engaging, and I felt like I had stumbled upon a little trick that made all the difference. Moments like these remind me how creative technology can be when you play around with it. And there you have it. Pika 2.0 truly sets a new standard in AI video creation, making it a top contender in the market. It's brought Pika Art into the limelight as one of the best AI video platforms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you prefer the original Pika, Pika 1.5, Pika 2.0, or Sora? Let me know in the comments below.